Hi, Srinivas this side, and welcome to you all to my Srinivas Forsage YouTube channel. Before going to today's topic, I would all request you to like and comment on my YouTube video. And if you like my YouTube video, please share it to your friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whatever videos I make, it will come to early. And let's go to today's topic. Today's topic is how to download Zoom application. You all know that after Corona, everyone started conducting meetings through online. So there are many online apps through which many companies and many people are conducting online meetings, online classes. Everything is going on through online. So out of many apps, today we are going to talk about one online app, one online meeting app, that is Zoom application. So let's go to the Play Store where we download Zoom application. See, just type Zoom. It's there, it's coming. Actually, I already downloaded the Zoom application, so that is why it's asking me to open the Zoom application. So it will come like this. But before coming like this, it will ask you to sign up. So when you click on sign up, it will ask you all the basic information. See, this is the basic information like your email and your date of birth and your name, all those basic things it will ask. So after filling your basic information, then the screen will be like this. This will be the screen. So here it will be like a new meeting, join, schedule, and set screen. But all these things we will discuss it in next video. But till now, today is like how to download the Google application, means like Zoom application. So in this, whoever gives you the Zoom application link, you can directly join it. Like here, it is asking to join. Like this, directly you can join it. Means if it is downloaded in your mobile, so you can directly join the link through which the your senior or your company has given. But if it's not downloaded in your mobile, it will ask you to download, sign up, then only you can attend the online meeting through Zoom application. So that's all for today. uh, thank you so much. My name is Srinivas. Thank you.